Duduzi
I
Shabalala.
think they should have scored 3 or 4 namhlanje Kaizer Chiefs.
Two. Yes, I would say two.
Yeah. Mtu should have scored also.
Yes, Mtu, yes. Because there was a counter, 3v2. I think Umodi good decision. But Mtu, goalkeeper I think was safe lapha. But Mtu lapayana, bekumele chip nje the ball, goalkeeper was already down. Just chip the ball and then give a corner and go celebrate. But if I can be honest, badlale ngama moment. You go bathola ama chance. Ngase leso sikhathi mhlawumbe after 10 minutes or so. So they never played like a team that is playing home. Yeah, but banga understandani. A very difficult game, banga baniki pace. Joba ngisho they can't play off the ball. Abakwazi ukuzenzela space. If you go 1v1 and then ubaniki problem, they can't. Umabuye bombona Foster, but now you almost made ki blunder. Kona la lusi bola. Well done to Wanyat because another guy, lengwenya the striker. He fall uye wawa la pa. Umabuye wa lusi bola to 10. I think first 20 minutes after Chiefs scoring. So second half, it came. I think Chiefs Jobushi told them a chance more about 2. Which is bekumele finish lapana, but they never azange by dominating the game. This game was very difficult for them. Referee was different. I will be honest to you, Shane. Referee was different for Kaizer Chiefs.
Now, Junior, Kaizer Chiefs, they are not in a situation where they will need the favors from anyone or someone else out there. But number one, but not 10 points. They just need to go to Egypt. And beat Zamalek. Do you see that happening?
Okay,
Junior, Madibu Goshop, draw quarterfinals after next week. Ikamalek had the Chiefs club.
Question. For me, it's going to be difficult. Kaizer Chiefs will go there for a draw. It's going to be difficult. They're going to draw. Zamalek, they're going to win at home. It's going to be difficult. And he says, Chiefs, they got extra 2 goals. Goal advantage. He says, Egypt. Because now Egypt.
Yeah.
It's going to be difficult. Wow. It says, Nyakpendula, Zesko, Zamalek, they're going to Gumalo.
I mean, you mean Al Masry?
Al Masry, yes. Yeah. They are going to
quarterfinals.
Yes. It's going to be difficult. I'm going to say Zesko must score 2 goals.
Yes.
And Kaizer Chiefs, they have to play because I don't think, in today's games, I don't think I was convinced. Well done. The referee was different. Well done, specialists until they won. Different. Good language was not right to good zeal. But now so, and now Kaizer Chiefs, they are going to play against the referee.
Junior, it's very difficult to tell the North Africans because we know them.
Yeah, no, Nami, true. Yeah. But if I just couldn't based on it,
sure.
But truly speaking, is even now when they are at home, my Chiefs, you'll be away. I'm talking about the treatment. And is Zesko have got nothing to lose. Yeah. So I was boozing Zesko going to this almost a very good side. Zimnandi this. Shane Gomning, a very good side. Egyptian football compliment in Kulmang national team Jabo, Zamalek. The way they are playing Egypt, they're 90s, 98 and stuff. Technically, Egypt, they play like European style. Style service like Europe. Very technical. They understand one another. They had to play this long ball. It's a side they like macrosses. And they've got 2 or 3 special players. Well done to them. But the Chiefs have challenges. I'll be honest to you. I never thought they'll beat these guys. Made an effect. Well done. Good to beat these guys. But I'm not too sure. I'm sure magabukela this replay, this rematch. Unama answer kumele waphendula.
Julia,